Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to another edition of Awesome Calls Trading. I'll tell you again, another outstanding opportunity for everyone to make a good living today. You know, I'll tell you, there's nothing like it in the world to get up and press a few buttons and make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars because you know what the stock's going to do. Who would ever thought in our world that a stock could move 30 cents and we can make $300 on it? Or a stock moved $2 and we can make $600. Or what if a stock moved $20 and we made $100 a share on it? You see, the market provides this opportunity every day. Awesome calls trading finds those opportunities and finds them every single day and works with you, trades live with you. If I take a trade, you know I'm in it. You hear the entry, you hear the exit, you know what my entry is, you know what I'm doing. If I'm going to say this is going to pop, you hear my entry going long and you hear me entry going out. Everything is live. All right. Everything is written down before the market opens. You walk in, you have a game plan. You get to pick a stock from $2 all the way up to $500. I will have something for you. If you're a short seller, small cap, I got you. I got you covered. I'll find you 3 or 4 for just you. If you're a big cap, short seller, gap filler, boom, I got you like 6 or 7 ideas for you. I will find you the opportunities. You just have to get in here, get ready, and study every day. Work hard, study, invest in yourself by studying. All right. Always remember that. You are your own person. And never worry about what this guy's making, or this lady's making, or this person's making, or this owner's making, or this. Who cares? At the end of the day, it's what are you making? What are you getting out of the market? Is the market being good to you? Are you scared? Are you a deer in headlight type of person? Do you freeze when a stock moves? Right? This is the room that will break those habits. I will grind you. I will push you. I will find out how to break your bad habits and make you a great trader. But before I do that, I got to give you great trades, great ideas. So I'm just going to run through about 8 ideas that we did today, and they were all just killer. I mean, there was killer. The first one we did today was Exhibit, is our number one pick today to short. They commenced an offer to purchase 430 million shares. Stock was a very thin stock. To me, it was up stupid 14 points. I called for a sell off to $25 from $31 area. And this was pretty much done in pre-market. It was the number one pick. I came in the room. The moment I walked in the room, I said short Exhibit to 25 and under. And this was the trade. So here was the 32, 31 area right there to short, and it came down in pre-market all the way to 25 bucks. And at the open, he gave another buck. It was a beautiful short. I mean, just look at that. Straight up butter. A lot of people made money. Next one we did was Denali. Denali. I like the name. Sounds like a car, huh? It's a pharmaceutical company, and I think they filed some paperwork. So we called for a short. Um, we actually called for a long out of the gate, per the notes, to 22.50, and then a short to 19. You don't believe me? You're shaking your head. There's nobody can be that good. What room are you in? Ready? 22.50 top, 19 bottom. 22.50 top, 19 bottom. Oh, and you want to go, if you miss all of that, you can go back up to 22 if you want. It's up to you. I don't give a shit. Next one. This was call of the day. Hands down, the best call of the day. I did Beyond. I did ABMD. I did Netflix. I did Tesla. But to me, this was call of the day. Hands down. Straight up butter. I figured the stock would pop at the open to 292 or more. Determined that the market was a little flat. Thought the stock would sell off. Gap fill from yesterday's run. So I called for a short all the way down to $280. I went on a limb on that one, but that's what I felt it would do. So I wanted to pop at the open, scale in short, take it down. 280 was the number, and it found a base at $280 a share and ran right back up. You don't believe me? written in stone right here. TDD. This thing will fall off to 280 and under. And he pop at the open to 293, scale in short. It hit 293.70, just 30 cents under that 294. Next call we did, you're not gonna believe this one. This one fucking just get the fuck out of the way. This one was gonna pop at 130 at the open on Beyond. Once it hit 130, I want us traders to start scaling in short. Don't ask me how, but I saw 118 written all over it, that this stock was going to pull to 118. It was, I just even said enjoy. The more it pops, the more the pullback. Okay? That's exactly what I wrote. Look for this baby to dump and pull back to 118 to 120. This was beyond fucking trading. Okay? Ready? Let's do it together. So if you came in the room, you start taking short, scaling in, and you did this correctly. Ding, 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 ding. There's your 130. Add on any pop, scale in short, and guess what? Bam! 118.43 in a matter of 31 minutes. I saw traders make thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars on that stock. It was one of the most incredible calls we've done. Netflix, same thing. Just like TDD, Netflix we called for a short. This was actually gapping up on the market being flat, which kind of confused me, but shit, 347 short. I called it with room to 350, scale in, and take it down all the way down to 330. I wanted 340 and ended up going down to 335 for a nice 7 to 10 point trade on Netflix to the downside. Tesla. This was a beautiful play for us in the room. Tesla, I told traders, now this was pretty much really set up just perfect. The stock had already gapped up, as you can see right here. You see this gap up, right? Pre-market, it gapped here, and it started moving really aggressively at 4:30 in the morning, 4 o'clock. It just took off, all right? That's California time. So for you, it's 1 in the morning. This just stock started just running. I mean, actually, that's 7 in the morning for you guys in New York, 7:30. It was just running. It was just nuts. So by the time we're writing these notes up, it was gapped up already, 447. I cannot tell you how many times I tried to short this in pre-market. I went in there and I tried to short it. I did everything I possibly could to get it, and TD would not let me get $1 shorting pre-market. My ideal was to short it at 547, pop it over to 550. I said the stock would pull originally down to 535 and then bounce. And then if it collapsed again, the next spot was 525. Psychological numbers. And it hit 535 right here. It bounced about 8 or 9 points. Snapped this 535, pulled to 525, and that's where it recovered. This was an amazing trade. I mean, game changers. Tesla's just been an active trading vehicle for us. The other one we did was ABMD. This was yesterday's play, if you recall. But again, this was sort of gapping up this morning on thin. See the sell-off yesterday? A little bit overdone. Remember I told you in the webinar, I valued the stock between 170 and 175. So I kept it on radar today because I felt the stock would be in play to the 170 to 175 area again. So this morning I kind of got lucky because I came in, and if you look closely, it closed at 168 right here, but it gapped all the way up to 171. So that told me I was going to get what I wanted today. But before I could get to 175, which was the goal, I needed to pull it back and fill some of the gap. So what I did is I told the traders, listen, this is going to probably pull back to 169, and then it's going to run all the way to 173 to 175 a share. And that's what I wrote. I scripted this really, really good. Again, pull to 169, and the stock will bottom curl to 173 to 175. That was the trade. So all you as a trader had to do was wait for the 169, scale in 100 shares, and just walk it up to 175, and it double topped at 174.75. That's a hell of a trade. But that's the value of the stock. Now I won't trade ABMD anymore. That's it. I'm done with it. And I will give you one more. I'll give you I gave you Denali. I'll give you ADAP. I'll give you, yeah, I had ADAP. I'll give you that one. ADAP was a small cap for my short sellers in here. I delivered a really nice trade for them. I told everyone start selling short at $6. I was looking for 450 and under. I think, hold on. Was it 450 and under? I think I said 450 and under. ADAP, yeah, 450 and under. And the stock is now under $4 a share. Just selling off beautiful. You had a 2-day run in it, and it's just gap filling now. I'm filling that. I was looking for 450 hit here, and just proceeded to sell off, and it's still coming down. Wonderful short. There's no long in the stock. One of the things that we do really well in our room is we avoid any kind of, I don't want traders to make mistakes and buying a stock that's just not, we're not buying crap. We're going to short the crap. And this was just a pure short. And you could have been done with this trade literally um, it took about 90 minutes to get what I wanted. But with size, 5,000, 3,000 shares, I mean, you do the numbers. This is a 2-point pullback. This is like $6,000 in your pocket on 3,000 shares. Real simple to do too. And I even told you don't long it unless it hits 650. Just a very good read on the stock. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's enough. Yeah, we did many more stocks. ICHR. We did Netflix, like I said, Zooms, RTIX, Exhibit, ICHR. I mean TRXC. I can go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. But today was a wonderful day to trade. A lot of opportunities for everyone out there, hands down. And well done. Okay, so that's today's webinar for January 14th, 2020. It's been a hell of a 2 weeks already. Earnings season's beginning. Banks came out today. Get strapped in and get ready. It's just going to get more. All right. All right. So take care, and I will see. You want to be a member? All you just come in here, take any of my links, click, you're in. Upgrade to annual if you want after you make your money the first week. Whatever you want to do, I'm here. You can follow me on Twitter. I never post anything on Twitter. I just don't do that. Like, I'll let you know when I'm trading and stuff, but I won't, like, if somebody asks me a question, what's Netflix going to do? Well, I'm not one of these guys that goes on Twitter and go, oh yeah, Netflix is going to do this. No, uh, you have to pay for my opinion, and that's what I do. All right. So Wall Street Pajamas, thank you. Very cool. Thank you, Barney. As always, you're amazing. I love your tweets after I do my webinar. Thank you, sir. Okay. So that is that. So I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.